channel and welcome to another makeup tutorial. I wanted to do something very bold, very I can't say different because is anything really different anymore, but it's definitely intense and loud, if that makes sense. So I really like how it turned out. It's like the perfect, like a lot but not so much look. It's just really extra but not extra. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to do something really glam, something almost timeless. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I just went ahead and did my brows off camera. The products that I use will be linked down below, but I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige to prime my eyelids. I'm just gonna set that concealer in place with eyeshadow from my Morphe 350 palette using the lightest eyeshadow. Okay, so I just zoomed you in a little just so you can see better, but I'm going to use the Morphe 350 palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade first. I'm going to blend that out just a little bit. So I'm going to go into this color over here. I'm just going to use that and blend the color, the edge out here. I'm also going to bring that darker shade onto the outer corner of my lid here. I'm going to mix these two colors together just to kind of neutralize this orange a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to go into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take a mixture of burnt orange and raw sienna, and just kind of blend that up here. So I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to cut this crease. I'm going to go in with tempera to kind of set that. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild coloricon. That's how it looks. I'm going to go in with this middle shade here. It says crease on it. So what you want to do is you want to apply very little pressure and then put most of the product on the outer portion of the cut crease and then work your way in. So I'm going to go into that same crease color and put that on my outer corner. I'm going to take this shimmery gold right here from Anastasia. So I'm gonna go in with this glitter eyes palette instead. I'm gonna take this glitter here. I'm gonna put a line of this along the crease. I'm gonna use this Melted Chrome eyeshadow by Essence as a inner corner highlight. My favorite eyeshadows at the moment. This one's in the color Iconic. I'm going to take my Inglot gel liner and just put a line along my upper lash. Okay, so to finish off the eyes, I'm going to apply my lashes. I'm going to apply some of my the False Lash Mascara by Essence, and then I'm going to apply these beautiful wispy extra lashes. Okay, so now that the lashes are done, we're going to move on to the face. Okay, I'm going to start by using this mattifying fluid by Avène. It says you can use it as a makeup base, which is fun. It feels really good on the skin, really moisturizing, hydrating, like super hydrating. For foundation, I'm going to use my favorite foundation of all time that I've ever used. This is my favorite. I am so obsessed. It's so full coverage. It's so like beautiful on the skin. It's like amazing, and it stays like for the whole day. Well, I don't usually wear it the whole day, but it stays long. It's the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation. I am the color number 60 caramel. It looks a little dark, but it works. Today I'm going to do something I don't usually do. I'm going to use the Essence Soft Touch Mousse in Mahogany. And I'm going to use this as a contour, a cream contour. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is number C11. Use a tiny amount right under my eyes, and my nose, a little on the bridge, on the forehead. Just gonna apply concealer to the usual places. Go in with my Luxury Banana Powder by Makeup Revolution. This is my first time using this powder, so oh my gosh, we're gonna find out how luxurious it is. going to take my I Go Spice palette, Glam palette, and just lightly go over where I cream contoured. Okay, so I'm going to finish off the under eyes. I'm going to take the Modern Renaissance palette and take these two first again. I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild palettes and take that middle color again along the waterline. Along the lower lash line. I'm going to take my Morphe 350 palette. I'm going to go into this color here and just buff that line out. I'm going to take this Essence Big Bright Eyes pencil and use that in my waterline. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to use this Essence Blush Up Blush. This is in the color Heat Wave. So for my highlighter, I'm going to try this Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter. It looks really pretty. To intensify my nose highlights, I'm going to use the same Essence eyeshadow. To finish everything off, I'm going to take the Rimmel London Insta Fix and Glow Spray. I really like this. I don't like the smell, but I like it. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to use MAC Ruby Woo. I almost said Honey Love because that's my favorite. Oh wow, I like that. Yep, I fucked with this. Okay, so that is the makeup done. I'm just gonna go off camera and do my hair, and then I'll come back. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of this makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It is something different, very bold. Red lip, love a good red lip. I felt like I haven't done a red lip on the channel in a hot minute, so I decided to go with something like this. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get my videos sent to your subscription page. You can also click on the little gray bell if you're not getting notifications. When I upload a video, then it'll send you a email or a push message when I upload. So yeah, check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and my Facebook page if you're on Facebook a lot. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!